Have you or your family faced with chronic disease? If yes, is the cost is high? Where did you get the money to pay for the cost? Will you use your saving or you make a borrowing from banks or your friends? I'm sure that it will be burdens you. Hello ladies and gentlemen, today I would like to persuade you to invest in health insurance. Last year my friend suffered from lung cancer and he didn't have enough money to pay for his medical expenses. And then his father decided to make a personal loan. So today I am going to share you the problems, solutions and benefits regarding health insurance. So let's move to the first point. Uninsured in health insurance increase the potential to get sick. Referring to the pie charts, 60% of people who postponed to seeking care and did not get needed prescription of drugs comes from those who uninsured themselves. It is because they don't have enough money to pay for their medical expenses. According to our Health Minister, Datuk Sri Dr. Adam Baber, only 22% of people who being insured in health insurance. Thus, it shows that Malaysia have a poor health coverage. Other than that, uninsured in health insurance causes to high medical debt that finally will lead to bankruptcy. Referring to the bar chart, the total numbers of bankruptcy in Malaysia from 2015 to 2019 is 80,624 people, and most of them are affected is due to high medical debt. According to Datuk Sri Dr. Adam Baber, 11% of Malaysians had to borrow the money to pay for their medical expenses. Thus, it shows that having a poor health coverage will lead to high medical debt. However, there are few steps can be taken to avoid from this problem. The first step, you need to choose the best health insurance. You need to choose the health insurance that can benefit others, such as family health insurance. By having a family health insurance, you are able to cover your parents' medical expenses. On 5th March 2016, Watson Yamberg, the fastest 100 meters in run that holds 70 years Malaysia record, have been declared as bankruptcy over a loan he took to pay for his father's medical expenses. Imagine that if you have a financial insurance, you don't need to worry about your parents' medical expenses. For your information, in Malaysia, we have a lot of insurance companies that offer family health insurance, such as Prudential Insurance, AIA Malaysia, and many more. Not only that, you still have other consideration. You need to consider your commitment by recalculate your commitment. In fact, many Malaysians didn't getting insured is due to high of commitment. For your information, in Malaysia we have a lot of insurance company that offer a low monthly installment of premium. Other than that, the government of Malaysia also offer health coverage called Medicaid to those who having a low income. Let's move to the last step. You need to read the rules and regulation of claiming. In health insurance, we have two types of customers. The first one is a healthy customers and chronic disease customers. Thus, you have to identify which type of customers are you to avoid from rejection of claiming. Many Malaysians facing with rejection of claiming is due to several factors such as expiry of coverage and limitation of documentation and incomplete of documentation. So there are many benefits that you can get by applying this step. The first one, by applying the family health insurance, you are able to cover your and your family future medical expenses. Other than that, you can reduce your commitment through reducing in income tax. Premium that you pay to healthcare policy are eligible to be deduct under a section 80D of the Income Tax Act 1961. Next, by knowing the rules and regulation of claiming will easier the process of claiming. So don't just knowing all these steps, let's get insured now. So uninsured in health insurance will expose you to many problems, and the only solution is being insured. So without wasting time, let's get insured. I want you to take out your phone, open Google and click www.etika.com.my, or you can copy this link and paste and click search. and then choose the health insurance company that suitable and fulfill your need. After that, fill out the form and click for apply. And then you just wait until the insurance company send to you the contract to your email. You can save your financial future in just 5 minutes. So what are you waiting for? Let's get in shape.